I'm starting off with a clean porch. I took everything off of it and swept everything off. I got these urns from the Dollar General. The top part was $8 and the base was $8 as well. I have a link at the bottom below. And then also all my plants I got from Home Depot. These planters here, they matched my urns and I got them at the Dollar Tree. This rug came from the Dollar General. It was $10. I wanted to give the porch a layered look, so I got this welcome mat from the Dollar Tree. This wreath I found on Joann Fabric's website on sale for $23.99. I went to my local Joann Fabrics, but it wasn't on sale, so I showed them the ad on the website and they matched the price for me. I wanted to update my lighting fixture, so I got this from the Home Depot. I'll link it down below. And here's the final project of how it turned out. If you like this video, please subscribe and like.